Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? I'm gonna make this soup today, a beetroot soup. It's a vegan version. Now, it's kind of like a borscht, isn't it? But if you look into borscht, there's loads and loads of different types of it. There's even a white borscht. I think it's a Polish dish, which is a white borscht with sausage. But yeah, this is a nice vegan. It's beetroot, we've got cabbage. It's very easy, it's very clean, it's beautiful. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is 2 cups of beetroots. So they're a raw, uncooked beetroot. I just peeled them and cut them into fairly chunky pieces. I've got a cup, or just over a cup actually, of red cabbage, the same amount of onion, a little bit of carrot, a tablespoon of garlic, and I've got some fresh dill here. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper, and the liquid I'm going to use today is some vegetable stock, but you could just use water if you want. So I'm doing this in this wok, just so you can see it a little bit easier. You know, you can use a big pot if you want, but yeah. Olive oil's in. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. We're going to drop in our onion and our beets, and we're going to go on just above a medium heat for about 4 minutes. Okay, super fab. Let's get in a tablespoon of garlic. Let's get those carrots in. I've cut these quite thin. I mean, you can cut this however you want, all of it really. A cup or just over a cup of red cabbage. Then some salt, some black pepper, we're going to go for about 4 minutes more, stir frying this around, and then very simply we're just going to add some stock to it, and it's pretty much done. So I'm going to add some fresh dill now, which I've chopped. And we're going to add a little bit at the end as well. And then stock. I've got a vegetable stock here. Two pints of that, I think. Now we're going to let this go now for about another 7 or 8 minutes. Just want to get those beets nice and tender. But that's it. Really simple, easy soup. Okay, off goes the heat. Check the seasoning on that. You might want to put a bit more salt and pepper in, but for me that's a beautiful, nice, clean, easy soup. Okay, and there you go. Beautiful. Nice and clean and easy, like I say. Very tasty. Now, I've kept that vegan, of course. If you don't want it vegan, you could maybe put some sour cream on the top. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.